Om. The Light of Truth, Part 13, Chapter 8, The Creation, Sustenance and Dissolution of the Universe, Section A. Question: has this universe proceeded from God or from something else? Answer: God is the efficient cause of this universe, but the material cause is Prakriti, the primordial elementary matter. In the beginning, the whole was enveloped in utter darkness. Nothing was discernible. It was like a dark night. Matter was in its very elementary form. It was like ether. The whole universe, completely overspread by darkness, was insignificantly small compared with the infinite God who thereafter, by his omnipotence, evolved this cosmic world, the effect, out of the elementary matter, the cause. Rigved. Question: has not Prakriti emanated from God? Answer: no. It is beginningless. O man, that all-pervading being alone is the Lord of the imperishable Prakriti, the material cause of the world and of the soul, and is yet distinct from both. He is the creator of universe, the past, present, and the future. Yajurved. That supreme spirit from whom all things proceed and in whom they live and perish is the all-pervading God. Aspire, O men, to know him. Taittiriya Upanishad. Question: how many entities are eternal or beginningless? Answer: 3. God, soul, and the Prakriti, that is matter. The Prakriti, the soul, and God, all of them are uncreated. They are the cause of the whole universe. Question: are the Vedas eternal or non-eternal? Answer: they are eternal. God being eternal, his knowledge and attributes must necessarily be eternal. Question: how many causes are there of the universe? Answer: 3. The efficient, the material, and the common. The efficient cause is the one by whose directed activity a thing is made, and by the absence of whose directed activity nothing is made. It does not change itself, though it works changes in other things. The material cause is one without which nothing can be made. It undergoes changes, is made and unmade. The common cause is one that is an instrument in the making of a thing and is common to many things. The efficient cause is of two kinds. The primary efficient cause is the Supreme Spirit, the governor of all, who creates the universe out of the Prakriti, that is matter, sustains it, and then resolves it into its elementary form. The secondary efficient cause is the soul. It takes different materials out of the universe created by God and molds them into different shapes. The material cause is the Prakriti, which is the material used in the making of the universe. Being devoid of intelligence, it can neither make or nor unmake itself, but is always made or unmade by a conscious, intelligent being. Though here and there even one kind of dead matter, but those changes are never order. Let us take an illustration. God made seeds of different kinds. When they fall into a suitable soil and get the proper amount of water and nourishment, they develop into trees. but if they come in contact with fire, they perish. All ordered changes in material things depend for their occurrence on God and the soul. All such means as knowledge, strength, and hands and instruments, time and space that are required for the making of things constitute its common cause. Now, take for illustration a pot. The potter is its efficient cause, clay its material cause, whilst the rod, the wheel, and other instruments, time, space, light, eyes, hands of the potter, knowledge, and the necessary labor, etc., constitute its common cause. Nothing can be made or unmade without these three causes. Question: what object had God in creating the world? Answer: what object could he have in not creating it? Question: had he not created it, he would have lived in happiness. Besides, the souls would have remained free from pleasure and pain and the like. Answer: these are the ideas of the lazy and the indolent, but not of men of energetic and active habits. What happiness could the souls enjoy during the period of dissolution? If the happiness and misery of this world were compared, it will be found that the happiness is many times greater than the misery. If you were asked what is the function of the eyes, you can only say sight, of course. In the same way, of what use could the knowledge, activity, and power of creating the world be in God other than that of creating? Nothing else. The attributes of God, such as justice, mercy, the power of sustaining the world, can have significance only when He makes the world. His infinite power bears fruit only when it is applied to the creation, sustenance, government, and dissolution of the universe. Just as sight is the natural function of the eye, so are the creation of the world the free gift of all things to the souls and promoting the well-being of all the natural attributes of God. Question: was the seed made first or the tree? Answer: the seed, because the seed is the cause. Question: in different cycles of creation, does God make the universe of a uniform or a different character? Answer: just as it is now, so was it in the past, so will it be in the future. It is said in the Veda, just as God created the sun, the earth, the moon, the electricity, the atmosphere in the previous cycles, so has He done in the present and so will He do in the future. Rig Veda. God's works, being free from error or flaw, are always of uniform character. Continue.